this is my personal study, of course, that they created all these demons so that our faith in that one god or number of gods, whatever it is, becomes very strong, because we will fear that if we do not get inclined to that god, something much darker is waiting for us. So
But
yeah,
is that true? Something much darker is waiting for people?
like I said, Ranveer, if I don't know if Jeffrey Dahmer is still alive or not, but if he's dead, he should be one of the most feared demons right now in the spiritual world. Because if he did so much being alive, imagine what he would be doing with those number of powers he would be getting in the spiritual world. So yes, it's very much possible.